Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation claims. I want to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series, where I provide you with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today I want to talk to you about whether you need a workers' compensation attorney. Now if you're watching this video, you've probably suffered an injury at work. And the questions that are running through your mind are, do you need to contact and hire an attorney about that injury? Well, the answer is maybe. You don't always need an attorney in your workers' compensation case in Georgia. There's no requirement that you have an attorney. However, I do think that it makes sense for anyone who's had an injury that's significant enough that they're going to the doctor and getting medical treatment to talk to an attorney who specializes in workers' compensation cases. The reason is that workers' compensation laws can be tricky. There's special rules about what the insurance company has to pay for regarding medical treatment and when they have to pay you weekly benefits. For example, in Georgia, insurance companies are only required to pay for medical treatment with certain doctors called your authorized treating physician, or doctors that those doctors refer you to. If you just go and see any doctor on your own, the insurance company is not necessarily going to have to pay for it, even if the doctor is providing treatment for an injury that happened at work. With regard to your weekly benefits, there's rules about when the insurance company has to start paying them to you. They get 21 days to investigate your case, and if you're out of work for less than 7 days, they don't have to pay you any weekly benefits because there's a 7-day waiting period before you begin getting entitled to weekly benefits in Georgia workers' compensation cases. Now, if you've had an injury at work and you're getting medical treatment, you want to make sure you receive the benefits that you should. And also, many times talking to an attorney will help you figure out if this is an injury that you're probably going to be able to recover from fine and return to work without problems, or if it may be something that causes you difficulty down the road and is likely to cause ongoing problems. In those sort of cases, it may make more sense to get an attorney involved. Now, the reason why I think it does make sense to talk to an attorney anytime you've had a significant work injury is that you can do so for free. I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases. I do that so people can get questions that they have about workers' compensation answered and make sure that they receive the benefits that they should. Hopefully, it will be a situation where they don't have to hire me and they're able to go on and get the treatment that they need and just make sure they receive the benefits that they should, recover from their injury, and move on with their lives. But many times they may have a situation where getting me involved does make more sense. And they can talk with me about that and I can answer any questions that they may have. Now, if you'd like to set up a free consultation about your workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to do that. There's two easy ways that you can do that. One is by calling our office at the phone number that's on the bottom of the screen. And the second is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the free consultation request form that's available there. If you do have some other general questions about workers' compensation, you might want to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. All the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series are available there, and you can also subscribe to that channel if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.